Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add YouTube Shorts in WordPress. Want to embed YouTube Shorts on your WordPress site? Whether you're a blogger, a marketer, or business owner, embedding Shorts can boost engagement and keep visitors on your site longer. And here's how to do it. Just pay attention to these few steps that I'm gonna say. First thing you want to do is copy the YouTube Shorts link, and to do that just open YouTube and then go to the your Shorts section and find the shorts you want to embed, and then click share, then select copy link. I'm gonna pause the video, click on share and then click on copy link. Now embed the shorts in a post or page, and to do that these few steps I'm gonna tell you the instructions, as I can't access WordPress on my mobile device. Now this step, you're gonna embed the shorts in a post or page, and to do that just open your WordPress dashboard and go to posts or pages and click on add new or edit an existing post. After that, paste the YouTube short link directly into the editor and it will automatically embed the video. The third thing you want to do is use the YouTube embed blog, also known as the Gutenberg editor. Click the plus, add the blog button and search for YouTube and paste the shorts URL and press enter to embed it. For the fourth step is to embed shorts in Elementor. If you use Elementor, drag the video widget to your page and paste the shorts link under source and adjust the size. And for the fifth and final step is to publish and test. And to do that, just click on publish or update, then preview the page to ensure the shorts is displayed correctly. You can adjust the video size using CSS if needed, and use lazy loading plugins to optimize video performance, and add a custom thumbnail or a short description to attract more clicks. And that's it for today's tutorial. That's how you add YouTube Shorts in WordPress. If you like this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.